How do you demonstrate your research experience without a master's? Well, obviously, any type of undergraduate research that you've conducted, whether it is an honors thesis or even research papers that you've conducted in a class, any type of work that you might have done in a lab, for example, can be leveraged and used in your application. If you've participated in student-led conferences or any type of presentations in an academic setting, this is something that you can use. Professionally, if you have published or if you've conducted some research, it's really important for you to demonstrate the type of research that you've conducted and highlight the skills that you possess so that you can convince admissions committees of your abilities. Publications are a great way for you to also demonstrate that without a master's degree. I don't mean to publish in peer-reviewed journals, but if you've published blogs, if you've published white papers in your line of work, for example, or if you've published papers in student publications, that count as well. And this could be used in a very strategic way in your application and convince admissions committees of your abilities. And finally, something that people don't think about a lot are independent research projects. So if you've read a lot, if you've written a lot on your own, it might not be in an academic setting, but you're really familiar with certain areas of research, this is something that you can demonstrate in your statement of purpose. This is why it's important to start the application process early on so that you can devote a few months or weeks to reading literature reviews. It's a great way, in my opinion, to demonstrate, again, in your statement of purpose that you possess strong research potential. That being said, it's important to not just list these achievements. It's important to describe what you learned. What was your role? How does this research connect to your research goals? What skills did you hone through these research experiences? This is how you will make a really convincing case in the eyes of admissions committees.